In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a thumbnail in CapCut PC. Your thumbnail is the first thing viewers see. It's like the cover of a book. If it doesn't grab attention, people won't click on your video, no matter how good the content is. CapCut is a free, powerful tool that makes thumbnail creation surprisingly easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create professional, eye-catching thumbnails using CapCut's cover design and AI image generator. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut desktop app and load your project. Once your project is open, look for the cover icon on the left side of the video track in the timeline. Click on it to open the cover design window. This opens a dedicated workspace where you can design your thumbnail. You'll see several options on the left panel. The interface shows a Select a Cover screen with options to choose from video or local files. You can also click Create New Cover to start from scratch, or you can edit the cover clicking Edit Cover. Now you will see a new tab opening. It displays templates for cover. Also, you see Upload Text Sticker Shape tabs. From here, you can modify your cover the way you want it. Also, you'll see the Design with AI section. This is one of CapCut's most powerful features. More on that in a moment. Here's how it works. In the prompt box, type a clear description of what you want your thumbnail to look like. For example, a person pointing at a laptop screen with a glowing blue background, bold text overlay, modern style. CapCut will then generate an image based on your prompt. You can also upload a reference image to guide the AI. Once the AI generates your image, you can edit it directly in CapCut, crop it, add filters, adjust colors, or add text and stickers. You can also use the background remover to isolate subjects or add a contrasting background. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save it. Click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Your thumbnail will be saved and added to your video project. If you're not satisfied, you can click Cancel to discard changes and start over. You'll also see a progress indicator showing the percentage of your thumbnail design. This helps you track your progress. And that's it. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.